I'm going to show you how to make a clay ladybug in simple and easy way. We are going to make a lemon-sized sphere from red colored clay. Similarly, I have made one medium-sized sphere in black colored clay, four small-sized spheres in black colored clay, and two really tiny spheres in black again. There are two small-sized spheres in white clay too. Take the red sphere and flatten it into a dome shape. Take the medium-sized black clay sphere and flatten it a little. Stick the black clay on one side and flatten it on the red clay. Press to stick it properly. Now take a skewer stick or a toothpick and press it in the center of the red clay dome to form two halves. Take small sized black sphere and flatten and stick them to form the black spots on the body of the ladybug. The two small spheres in white clay are now pressed on the black head to form the eyes. The two tiny black spheres are pressed on white clay to form the eyeballs. There we go.